In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate a PDF using the comment tools in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're reviewing a document or collaborating with colleagues, knowing how to add comments efficiently can make all the difference. Let's dive in and explore how you can make full use of Adobe Acrobat's annotation features. To get started, you'll first need to open the PDF document that you want to comment on. So launch Adobe Acrobat and locate your document. Once you've got your document open, it's time to access the annotation tools. You'll find the comment tool on the right-hand pane, represented by a speech bubble icon. If this pane isn't visible for some reason, don't worry, just go to the View menu, select Tools, and then choose Comment to reveal the tools. Now, let's add some quick comments. For a simple sticky note, click on the Add Sticky Note tool. This allows you to click anywhere in the document to place your note and start typing directly. If you prefer a text comment, use the Add Text Comment or Text Box tool. This way you can insert a text block directly onto the page. Next, let's move on to highlighting, underlining, or striking through text. If you want to emphasize a section, use the Highlight Text tool. Simply drag over the text you want to highlight. Similarly, if you're looking to underline or strike through, select the appropriate tool and drag it over the desired text. In addition to these, there are other markup tools at your disposal. You can use freehand drawing, add shapes, arrows, or callouts from the same comment toolbar. Just select the tool you want and start drawing on your document. Once you've added your comments, you might want to tweak their appearance. You can do this by right-clicking any comment and choosing properties. This is where you can adjust the color, opacity, font size, and other formatting options to customize the look of your comments. If you want to change the default appearance, for all new comments, go to Preferences. On Windows, you'll find this under Edit Preferences, and on Mac OS, it's under Acrobat Preferences. Then choose Commenting to set your default font, size, and color. Managing your comments is also straightforward. The Comments pane provides a list of all annotations, allowing you to reply, delete, or mark them as resolved. You can even use filters and sort options to organize the comments by author, date, type, or status for a more streamlined workflow. Finally, don't forget to save your work. By saving the PDF, you'll preserve all your comments and their settings, ensuring they're exactly as you want them the next time you open the document. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy annotating.